Greetings, I'm Jalan Ashid and you're watching Anews. Over 31,600 people were killed by two strong earthquakes that jolted southern Turkey earlier this week. Last Monday's magnitude 7.7 and 7.6 earthquakes centered in the Kahramanmaraş province affected more than 13 million people across 10 provinces. According to the Turkish Disaster and Emergency Management Presidency, more than 233,000 search and rescue personnel are currently working in the field. Almost 148,000 people have been evacuated from quake-hit regions so far. Over 2,500 personnel and 384 vehicles have been dispatched to the region for psychosocial support services. Nearly 9,400 foreign aid workers were dispatched to the disaster zone. After the initial earthquake, hospital ships were created by the Turkish Navy to aid victims in the region. Turkish Navy's TCG Bayraktar and TCB Sancaktar continue to accept patients. Separately, an air aid corridor was also created by the Turkish Armed Forces to deliver search and rescue teams to the region immediately after the deadly disaster. The powerful twin earthquakes which hit southern Turkey earlier this week were 3 times stronger than the major 1999 Marmara earthquake in the country's northwest. The Turkish parliament last Thursday approved a 3-month state of emergency to speed up aid efforts. The country is also observing 7 days of national mourning in the wake of the disaster.